Dear friends, welcome to the channel, and today we have brought you a very easy and quick recipe called chicken tikka burger. This burger originates from United Kingdom. We will take 1 kg of chicken fillets with barbecue guts and add 4 tablespoons of tikka spice in it. With the help of a tongs, rub the spices on chicken fillets. Next we will add 4 tablespoons of lemon water and mix it again. We will now set the cooker to medium settings, take 4 tablespoons of olive oil and cook our fillets. This process will take you 5 to 10 minutes depending on the thickness of the fillet. Please view this video very carefully because I have shown you a few steps which are very helpful so that the fillet is cooked right to the center. Once our fillets are cooked, we will add a slice of cheese on the top, and this fillet is ready to go inside the burger. Next we will assemble the burger as shown in the video. I would highly recommend to follow this pattern as shown in the video, and this will add flavor to the burger. You can also add toppings of your choice if you want so. Thanks for watching our video. With this it is goodbye from us for today. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones.